In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store games loading errors. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together and paste the run command that I have given, which is the wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. And then once done, you need to wait until you would be able to successfully clear and delete the Microsoft Store cache and the junk files. Once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is you need to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. How we can do that at the search bar, at the bottom search bar, please type for store. Then you need to wait until you can see a best match in this window. Once you have seen the Microsoft Store, make a right click and then click on App Settings. Okay, so from here, please scroll down. Click for repair and reset. So wait until this would be done, and once you are done with this, okay, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. So click on it. Now if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.